Welcome to part 7 of Intro to Tech, where I explain all the tech roles so you won't be confused next time someone says it. Alright, we've looked at a lot: front-end developer, back-end developer. Today we're looking at the full stack developer. So, full stack means how it sounds. Full stack, yeah, practicing the whole thing. When I say the whole thing, I mean you're acting as both a front-end developer and a back-end developer. So a full stack developer is someone who knows how to work on the front end, but also knows how to work on the back end. They handle everything from designing how the website works to handling the processing, the logic at the back end. They set up the servers and they handle the database requests. That is what it means to be a full stack developer. So you have to train to be a front-end developer. Refer to my video I released previously to see how you can become a front-end developer. And you also need to take time to train to become a back-end developer. Also refer to my video to know how to become a back-end developer. And when you know both of these things, you can call yourself a full-stack developer. Alright. See you in my next part, where I'm going to look at what it means to work